Well, ain't this a little bit of a different view for you on a Monday new release video? You're probably like, Andrea, what's going on? Well, I'm about to tell you. So this week I decided that we have so many unreleased foil bundles that let's go ahead and just do 10 unreleased foil bundles. These will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and also we are going to be doing a foil sale, and that is the perfect combo to stock up on foil, stock up on these new bundles. These will be on special pricing, and then there will be the discount on all the foil, and it will come off automatically in your cart starting Wednesday at noon Eastern. And that will be 30% off all foil, which is a great deal. Perfect time to stock up. So let's go ahead and go through the 10 different foil bundles. These will not be in like confetti, Y2K. It won't be in the listing. It'll be in the new release section. There will be a listing that'll pop up that will say the new foil bundles or something along the lines of that and have all of them in there. And then after the sale, I'll move them into their respective, Y2K will go with the Y2K bundles just so that it's easier for you to see what's new, since there is so many different designs versus having all of them in the new release section. If that makes sense, I hope it does. So that is the gist of everything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and flip through these new foil bundles. So the first one here is in Confetti 2. And this is a gorgeous shattered blue. And this is just, it's stunning. It's beautiful. It's everything. So you have your 6 full boxes and your glitter headers. 2 pages of those, 2 pages of the bougie, and then you have the icons, the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, date, numbers, deco, and 15mm strips. This one will be perfect with so many kits come winter or any kit that requires blue. I think this would be actually really pretty with the Catch 'em All kit. I think that'd be a fun combo. The next one here is a more core foil. I wanted to do a mixture of core and fun foils for this one. So this one is nice because it'll match so much. And this is in, I think this is the sparkle, or is it the twinkle? No, not sparkle. Sparkle? Shimmer? Sparkle? Sparkle? Y'all know. It's this one. Let me zoom you in. And it's hollow, so you have the 6 full boxes, headers, underlays, the, what's it called? The icons and the scripts. This is like the older format. And then you also have the headers, the deco bits, the date numbers, and the 15mm strips. So that one. Then the next one here, I'm pretty sure this one's called Shimmer. So Shimmer in silver, another core for you. So this one has the 6 full boxes with the headers, the shimmer underlays, the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and the 15mm strip. Same format for all of these realistically, so I'll just flip through the rest of them because you know. So then the next one here is a Y2K bundle. I think the only one we have in shop is maybe holo. So this is lavender holo. This will be so cute with so many different kits. So you have the full box page, the underlays, the icons, and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, deco, etc. page in lavender holo. Then we have 2 of the butterfly bundles. One in a core fun foil. So this one is in Champagne Lights. So this one is Champagne Lights butterflies. So pretty. I love these butterfly underlays. The newer icons page with the scripts, and then the bottom washi. It's stunning. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's everything. That one's going to match so many kits, especially come spring. Then another kit in butterfly is going to be this lilac color. To check and see if this is the same as the lilac we had before, but it's a gorgeous, like, light, not super shiny, but has like a slight shine purple in that butterfly bundle. Again, super pretty. Love this purple color. Again, gorgeous, going to match so many spring kits. Then we have a traditional rose gold. So this is not like rose, it's rose gold. If you bought the rose gold confetti version too, this is the same color in the new format star bundle. So star version 2, 2 pages there, 2 pages of the star bougie, the newer icons with the scripts, along with the bottom washi page in that very classic rose gold color. So pretty. Another star that we have is going to be a sparkly holo. I actually don't think we have any like duplicate foil colors either, which is kind of cool. So this is a sparkly holo star, which this is probably, you know, if not the most usable, probably the second most usable stars in sparkly holo. So you have the full box page, the bougie, the new icons and scripts, along with the bottom washi. Again, this is in star version 2. And then the last 2 foil bundles I have are very, very fun colors for the theme, and I have 2 punk bundles for you. The first one here is in sparkly red, which I know y'all are going to have so much fun with. So this is the punk bundle, so cute with those drippy smiley faces by Jess, the icons and the scripts, and I love these dancing skeletons along with all the deco here. It's gonna be so fun. Let me know what you're going to be using this with, because I need inspo. I need the kit to pair this with, please and thank you. And then last but not least, we have another punk bundle, and this is in a really pretty, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's like a, hold on, let me show you. It's like a magenta holo, kind of. Holo magenta? Magenta holo? That color. You know the color I'm talking about? Magenta holo, punk bundle. Again, gorgeous, beautiful, perfect, everything. And I think this is going to match so many different kits. I was trying to see if I can find the one, but I cannot find her. But gorgeous, beautiful, everything. And that is punk in magenta holo. So those are the 10 new foil bundles that'll be coming to shop this week. Again, for just this week on Wednesday, whenever they come up, they will be in a, like the first listing in the new release section that just says new foil bundles, and they'll all just be in there for your shopping ease. And then after this week with the foil sale, I'll go ahead and move them into their respective design listings. So these will go into the punk listings, the butterfly, etc. And then all foil will be 30% off. It'll be automatically when you put it into your cart Wednesday at noon Eastern. So that's everything for this week. I hope you like this release. I've never done anything like this before, but it's going to be a great time to stock up on foil, especially with these being on the special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. And yeah, I hope you like this week's new release video and the new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.